In this video, we will learn how to use find option in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. So here I open my Microsoft Word document and here I have one article related to stock market. Okay, these are the article. So here I'm going to find a particular word in Word document. So go to the home tab. In home tab, in editing group have a find option. Just click on it and you can see here the navigation pane dialog box is open. Now enter here your word. I already entered the stock word. You can see here all stock word of this article is showing highlighted. So this is a way you can find also. I just close this navigation dialog box and again I go to the home tab. In editing group, click on this find drop down arrow and there is a second option, advanced find. When you click on the advanced find option, the one find and replace dialog box is open. To find a particular word, here in find tab, find what, enter the word. Here the stock word is enter. To find the next word, just click on the find next option. You can see here stock is find, is showing the selected. Again I click the find next option. Again the next stock word is showing selected. Okay, now I show you find in. Just click on this drop down arrow, the current selection. If you select the particular para and if you want to select the particular, I show you here. I just close this, I select this paragraph. Okay, then I click on this find drop down arrow and click on the advanced find option. Okay, then I click on the find in option, current selection only. Just click on the current selection. You can see here 3 word of stock is showing selected. Okay, and when I click again this drop down arrow in find in and click on the main document, it's selected full document. Just click on the main document. You can see here the full documents word is selected. Okay, now if you want to show this word is highlighted, then click on the reading highlighted option. Just click on this drop down arrow and highlight all. This all word is highlighted with a yellow color and here you can see the one note. The word highlighted is 38 items. The number of item also here mentioned. To clear highlighting, select the reading highlight and then clear the highlighting. So here if you want to clear the highlighting, just again click on the reading highlighting option and here the second option you can see here the clear highlighting. Just click on it and you can clear your highlighting. So this is a way you can find a particular word in Word document. Same as you can use here the shortcut key also. Control F to find a particular word. When you press the Control F, the navigation dialog box open, enter your word and you can see the word is fine. Here I show you one point. When you open the full navigation pane, you can see here when you enter here stock 38 result showing. In the result tabs have all contain those here found. So all contain on this the stock word is showing. So this is a way you can also check your content. Just click on it. When you click on it, this content is showing here. Okay, so this is a way you can find here the particular word in Word document. So hope you understand clearly here. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.